I think it works because it's in key with the track, I think. So I'm going to see what key it's in just by using an EQ. There's obviously two notes. There's like, it's like a triangle or something being played on a low triangle and a high triangle. You can kind of see on the waveform here, there's two spikes. So let's figure out what those are. Because I like to tune my percussion. If it's got a tone, tune it. So that one's sitting just under F, and this one. So that's A sharp F, kind of. They're both down by like a quarter of a semitone. So I will put another elastic pitch on, and I'll just put this up a quarter of a semitone. So now it's like locked into F and A sharp. So now if we look at what we're working in here, I'm just going to open up this piano roll just to see if F and A sharp are both in the key. So F is not and A sharp is not, but they are both between two notes because I can go up and down. So I know if I bring this triangle up or down one semitone, it's going to be somehow locked into the key.